Good day, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we're expecting for the next day on our gold. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share. Also follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once again, click on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on the next updates that will be coming. Now, when you take a look at this gold, we will have to start with the trend to fully understand what gold we did. We know last week we did prediction that if you're following the channel consistently, you'd have seen I predicted that markets will give us that bullish move till it taps a level of 4284. So if you don't watch it, you can go back to watch it to confirm, right? So we talked about markets hitting a level of 4284, right? Markets eventually gave us that bullish move that we were expecting and even broke above it, right? Gave us the bullish move beyond our anticipation. Gave us it was market was around here, right? Then it eventually gave us that bullish move, hit our target and even broke above it. So now we want to be predicting what market will be doing for the next day. That means we need to zoom it out to understand our movement, and we can clearly see that gold is clearly an uptrend move. It is very much a bullish move, right? So we are very strongly to the upside. Now, if you take a look at this right here, here is higher low here. Then gold eventually gave us high. Here comes the higher low. Gold eventually gave us an higher high. Here comes the higher low. It eventually did again higher high, and here comes the higher low. So right now, the whole market has now given us another higher high. You can clearly see that this higher high took out this previous high. So our next movement on gold should be a pullback. So basically, if you are in on the buy on gold, now is the best time to start hopping in on your profit. Now is the best time to start securing some partial profit as markets will be giving us a pullback. Yes, we will still very much continue the movement to the upside. So if you are a swing trader, you can still hold your position as markets will still very much push up to the upside. But for now, a pullback is what we are expecting. That should now take us to the 4-hour time frame, and we can see in 4-hour time frame a pullback has been made. So now this is it on our 4-hour time frame. This is our high. Here's our higher low. This is also the higher high. Here's the higher low. Markets did higher high here, and here comes the higher low. So our next movement on gold is another bullish move that will eventually give us a new higher high. So anticipate for a little bit of a drop, just a little bit. Then within that London section, right, watch and look out for your buy setup. Once you get your buy setup between London and New York section, then you can opt in for the buy on gold. So we will still continue the movement for that upward. So just subscribe so you will not miss out on any updates.